All right, today's project is not a Lionel repair. My friend gave me these two engines, no brand name. I don't know if they're Lionel, Marks, American Flyer, or just some sort of a kit from way back when. I guess I could probably, somebody knows by the couplers, they could let me know if what brand of toy this is. There's the couplers. That might be able to identify that way. So anyway, what I'm supposed to do is I've already loosened the screws on the main one. This is just a spare shell. And I'm supposed to upgrade all the wiring in here. So if anybody knows what this is, please respond in the comment section, because I have no idea what type of train this is. And we're going to replace all these wires. It does run. It does run. Okay, so here's the attempt at the E unit. That's an odd looking E unit. I'm not getting anything from this. Maybe it doesn't run. Here's the power pickups. I gotta ground it. But I'm not getting anything. I'm just gonna try without the E unit, bypass the E unit, and see if I get the motor to respond in any way. Apparently, that's somehow the E unit. And that's from up here. That's how that's activated, from up here, from the smokestack. You can't hold the camera. There it is. Well, that's a clue. That might have something to do with something. I don't know why it's washed out all of a sudden. So far, I am getting nothing. I guess I'm gonna have to disconnect all these wires and see what's up here. Again, if anybody knows what type of toy this is, who the manufacturer is of this, that's definitely the E unit. Which is definitely not working. These wires all look frail and disconnected. All I'm getting is a short. And I'm not even getting the light to go on. So we'll keep trying.